All right, so welcome to the exchange. So, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to give you my opinion on what I see in the stock markets. Looking to the left to see what has happened, then looking to the right to see what may happen. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you invest money in things you know about. If you don't know, invest in yourself and learn. That's the best way you can make money out here and have some security in these markets. So, let's look at what happens to stock markets so we can get a better idea and some security in exchange. Welcome to the Exchange Show.
All right, here we go. We got UPS. UPS is looking good, but I'm looking for an entry to the downside. Why? Because it looks like we have a huge drop. So that huge drop created this gigantic gap. Okay. This gap is literally 117 all the way up to 133. Now that came from earnings. Okay. So what we want to see this price action here. Let me move this out the way. We have currently this price action going in this channel to the upside. Is it going to be able to break this resistance that's here? And that's right around that 117.40 area. If it breaks there, hey, it may go up. It may even go up to this moving average of 123. But after that, we may have to wait for a reaction to the downside, but it's going to take time. So currently, I'm looking to see if it can break that 117.40 and then break down even further. So I have my price target here at 109. I will be doing an option or a put. And then also I have another price target here at 103. And there's a demand zone here down that $100 area. So there's some good opportunity here, but you got to be patient and look for a good entry to these areas. Okay. It might not just happen in one day. So you got to be patient. So next one I'm going to talk about is Dollar General. I want to talk about that one. So Dollar General is very interesting to me. It looks great to the upside to me. All right. It looks like it just started this move. So if you're interested in something that may make your portfolio turn from red to green, this could be the one. All right. And it looks like it's the start of the move. So we were looking for that entry to the upside. I already have this algorithm on, and it's telling me you should be good. So Dollar General is what I'm interested in this week, and I'm going to tell you why. I have broken a downtrend with confirmation, and I have good volume. And you'll notice I have the good volume on these candles right here. The last four have been green. The last two have been pretty good, especially this candle. So we had a good candle on Thursday of last week to push us up. They did get some rejection from the same area again. So what I really need to see from Dollar General is a break here at $70.80. So that's going to tell me, is this going to be able to go further? And I'm hoping yes, because it will hit the earnings area. That'd be great. But my main thing is touching that 81.49. That's the resistance. So that may be my price target for my option. It depends on how much they cost. I haven't looked them up yet. So we also have another one for you. Yes, another one. Is it on here? It's not on here. Okay. Yeah. There you are. Walmart. Walmart, Walmart, Walmart. So I gave you three trend lines to work with on this one. Why? Because a lot of people can use trend lines 1,000 different ways. So it doesn't matter how you pick to use a trend line. All of them have been broken. This was the start of our big move, right? So our big move started back here in August of 24, and we've been running ever since. And that was when Walmart was 60 something dollars. Ugh. But remember, Walmart also did a split back here in February of 24. So we had a lot of people acquiring more Walmart. Currently, we finally got a pullback, a good size pullback. It now needs to go past where it's at. The next support I want to see it touch is $90. I would love to see it come down to there. You have another area here that we have pretty much broken. Yeah, we're going through it. That is the $96 range. So the next one is $90.13. There is a gap down here at $83, meaning there was no trading action there. There's a gap above it at $100. We need to see this thing continue to the downside. I got a sell signal. I got red. I got red. I got red. I'm happy. So I'm looking at Walmart to continue to the downside. So if you're looking for one more stock, I got you. Datadog is up here. So if you're looking for something that's in the AI sector. This is IT security. I got AI coming up, but IT security is looking good for a put. We just passed a 200-day moving average to the downside on Datadog. There's a gap here to the upside. So if you're wondering what are gaps, that's where nobody traded. There's no price action there. So eventually, at some point, that will need to get filled. Currently, we're looking for it to come down to that 115 area right here. After that, it's the $100 area, and it has done it before. So back here, August of 24, we hit the $100 area and it shot up. So I want to see if it's going to do it again or if it's going to do it at 114. But currently, it could be a good opportunity for a put option to the downside. So $4 minimum is our next target. So 19 to 15. So our last one that we're going to talk about. Let me see. What I got. There was an yes, QB. No, not B. QBTS. D-Wave. So I know you've heard about D-Wave. D-Wave is currently looking to fill this gap to the upside. And if you notice, I already had this here. So that's what it was up here. Currently, we've already filled about half of that gap. We have another gap below right here. So now we need to look and see, are we going to get continuation to the upside? All right. So we had a nice little wedge pattern right here. It went sideways for a while. Now it just broke up. We got to see if we're going to be able to continue right through this. So essentially, this area here at $7.83, $7.83. We need to break that right there. We need to break that. That's going to tell us if we can go any higher or not. All right. Now, with that in mind, it looks like it could. We're above all of our moving averages that we need. I got a green signal here. I could take this up higher. I already have price targets marked right here at 942. And of course, at the last structure, that's $10.54. Now, this is telling me, hey, you can look to 14. I'm not doing all that. I like taking the easy hits first. So $9.40 something, or last structure is always a good target, $10.50 something. So I can say $11, maybe $10. To the downside though, and that's what I want to see. I want to see if we're going to see a bigger move to the downside, because currently this could be another pattern. If you notice that resistance we're looking at, this could bang around in here like it came here. Here. Is it going to go this and then down? We don't know. But I am looking for something to happen here with D-Wave. And I'm going to be patient. Once again, it has to break that 785 with volume. All right. So that's it for this week on the exchange. I hope you got something out of it. Hey, if you want to learn how to do this too, check out the website. We got a book to teach you how to invest for the first time. It's on the website. And of course, if you're a government employee, I hope you're checking out your TSP. We got videos for that as well every week. See you next week. Hopefully you got something out of this. Give me a like. This is free analysis, free game for that free 99. So what you got to lose? Give me something out of this. All right. See you next week.